Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we'll be doing the battery drain test of the newly launched Vivo X200 FE. So a lot of you guys have been asking us the battery drain test. So this device comes with a massive 6500 mAh battery and it also supports 90 watt charging. In case you've not watched the charging test video, do check out the channel. We have uploaded the charging test video a few days back. We have also done a lot of other videos on the X200 FE. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified of such videos whenever we publish. So let's come back to the battery drain test. 6500 mAh battery and such a compact form factor. That's one of the best things about the Vivo X200 FE. So really great battery capacity. Let's see how good the battery experience is, how much of screen on time we get. Now this comes with the Dimensity 9300 Plus chip. We have 12GB RAM and this is LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. So in this battery drain test, we'll be draining the battery from 100% to 0 and we'll be using 120Hz refresh rate, automatic brightness levels, and we'll be using Wi-Fi plus 5G. We have used the 5G SIM card on this device, and let me remind our viewers that this is not a completely accurate test because there is no complete accurate battery drain test because each person will have their own set of apps running, so you can't have a completely accurate battery drain test. This is just an approximate idea to give you how much of battery screen on time you will get. So we'll be using a few social networking apps like Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, camera usage, gaming, and we'll also check the idle battery drain. So we are doing the test and then we'll also come back the next day to see how much of idle battery drain happens with Android. So that is also important. So that's how the test will start. So we'll start off with Instagram. We'll use for Instagram for 1 hour or 2 hours. We'll use on 5G as well. So we'll have a mixture of Wi-Fi and 5G network. So let's begin. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So let's start off with Instagram. So we'll just go to the about phone and settings and we'll show you the device. So here you can see here Vivo X200 FE, and let's start the battery drain test. Now we'll start off with Instagram. So we'll remove the device from the charger, and now you can see 100% battery, and we are starting off the test, and you can see that now we have started the test. We are using Instagram right now. This is on 5G network, and let's use it for some time because Instagram is one of the really popular apps. So we'll use Instagram for some time and then come back and use Instagram on 5G network. So at the end of 1 hour and 40 minutes of Instagram usage on Wi-Fi, we have 92% battery remaining. So let's continue Instagram again. This time around we'll use 5G network. So we are continuing Instagram on 5G network, and at the end of 1 hour 20 minutes, that's completed 3 hours of Instagram usage, almost half on Wi-Fi and half on 5G. We have 83% battery remaining. So that's around 17% battery drain with Instagram. Next, let's go to YouTube app. We'll be using YouTube to watch videos on Wi-Fi network, and let's see how much battery drain happens. So at the end of 1 hour of YouTube and we have 76% of the battery remaining. Let's continue with YouTube again with 5G network this time because if you're traveling, you might use YouTube on 5G. So next 2 hours we'll use YouTube on 5G network, and at the end of 5 hours of usage we have 57% battery remaining. So 3 hours on Instagram, and in fact it is 6 hours. In fact 3 hours of Instagram and 3 hours of YouTube, we have 57% battery remaining. Next, let's use camera. Now we use camera outside mostly, so we'll use camera on Wi-Fi or rather 5G network, and we'll use it for 1 hour recording 4K 60 FPS video, and at the end of 1 hour, that is 7 hours of usage, we have 34% battery remaining. So almost 23% battery drop in 1 hour of camera usage on 5G network. That's slightly on the higher side comparing to the other devices we have tested recently. Next, let's go to gaming. So we'll play games on Wi-Fi network. We'll play for 1 hour. We'll use 2 games, Asphalt Unite, and then we'll go to BGMI. So these 2 games we'll play. So first 20 minutes we'll use Asphalt Unite, and next 40 minutes we'll play BGMI. Different levels we'll play. And now at the end of 1 hour, we have around 20% battery remaining. So 8 hours completed and we still have 20% battery remaining. So right now we are stopping the test. 8 hours, 20% battery remaining. So we'll come back tomorrow and start the test. We'll have around 7 to 8 hours of ideal battery drain, and let's see how much battery drain happens. So we are starting off the test again. Now in the morning we have around 17% battery. That means 3% battery drop in last 7 to 8 hours. That's the ideal battery drain, which is quite okay, I would say. So let's continue with Twitter. We'll watch some Twitter videos on Wi-Fi network, and at the end of 1 hour we have 10% battery remaining. So 9 hours completed now, and we still have 10% battery remaining. Let's continue with Facebook on Wi-Fi network. Another hour we'll use Facebook. We'll watch some videos, and at the end of 10 hours we still have 5% battery remaining. Now let's continue. We'll use Instagram once again on Wi-Fi network. Let's continue till the battery is out. And now at the end of 10 hours and 36 minutes, we have the battery completely drained out. So that means 0% battery in 10 hours and 36 minutes. So 10 hours 36 minutes is what it took to drain the battery on the Vivo X200 FE, which is quite good, I would say. 10 hours and 36 minutes is what it took to drain the battery. So in real world, I would say somewhere around 8.5 hours or somewhere close to 9 hours you can get with the Vivo X200 FE, which is very good, I would say. Close to 9 hours if you can get, that is really good for a 6500 milliampere battery. And this is a flagship category processor, and if you're going to use the camera for pretty long time, then probably you might end up somewhere around 8.5 to 9 hours. In fact, when using camera, the battery drain was slightly on the higher side compared to other devices, and this is in fact almost the same time we got with the OnePlus 13s as well. So which is pretty good, I would say, for the 6500 milliampere battery. So what do you guys think about the battery drain on the Vivo X200 FE? Personally, I am pretty much happy with whatever Vivo has provided. The optimization looks good. So that was a battery drain test of the Vivo X200 FE. Once again, let me remind, this is not an accurate test, just to give you an idea about how much you can get. Somewhere around 8 to 9 hours or 8.5 to 9 hours you can get on this device. So that was my battery drain test. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.